Look, I am the Castlecups party. Oh yeah. And I will be protecting this castle. And just to let you know, it is allergy season, so I will be sneezing on the way.
I am the castle destroyer. I come to destroy your castle with many hits.
This castle is indestructible.
Give me my castle destroying weapon. Oh no! I wanted to use my castle weapon. I guess I'll just do it on you. You didn't charge it, you munchkin boob.
Yeah, I'm charge it for you, sir. Second!
Let us go! Let's run away!
All because the castle guard sneezed on the wall.